Hi everybody! Today is a very special day for me. I'm a cancer survivor, so today is my 12 years of surviving cancer. So basically today is a day that I celebrate life and how grateful I am to be still alive. So I got myself a special gift to celebrate this. Let's see. This is not coming off in one shot, so I just wanted to share this moment with you. 12 years ago today, I was diagnosed with cancer. So it was basically the most awful day in my life. Basically, my life fell apart, and I went through really awful treatment and felt like I was dying. But I thought that I wanted to turn the most awful day in my life into the most celebratory day in my life. So that's why I celebrate today. So here's the special gift that I ordered. I actually received this package a couple weeks ago, but I waited and I didn't open it until I decided to open it with all of you guys. So here we go. Are you curious what I ordered? Oh, here's a beautiful orange box. And here's the receipt. Let's put this away. Oh, are you ready? This is exciting. Oh, there is a little tear on the box, but that's okay. Today is a special day, so I'm gonna be happy regardless. Dun 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 dun! What is it? What could it be? Oh. See? Can you guess what it is? Ta-da! It's a bum bag! Oh. It's a World Tour Series bum bag with treated black leather. And here is very subtle 12. I didn't choose any of the stickers. Instead, I chose to include this 12th year. I kind of chose sneaky color, so it's not like very obvious. So it's kind of hidden right here. It's to celebrate 12 years of my cancer survival anniversary. So how awesome is that? And then, okay, let's see. Let's open this. Look how gorgeous the inside is. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is, let's see, made in France. Well, this is a World Trust Series, so I think all the custom orders are made in France. And what is this? Now yours. So I think they included this because World Tour Series is not refundable. So yeah, personalization service. My LV World Tour booklet, and then cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, and here's the product code. I guess this is a special code because it's a personalization service. So let's put this away, and let's take a closer look at this gorgeous bum bag. Here is the Louis Vuitton Paris top handle. There you go. I love this red interior line color. And here's the little D-ring. And here's the back pocket. Oh, this pop of red is just gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, I love this. I absolutely love this. And I love how sneaky this 12 year is. You can't really tell easily, like unless you see the, like you really look for it, you can't really tell. So I love it. I absolutely love it. Let's see what fits in here. Okay, so I gathered some stuff that I normally typically carry. So let's see. Here's my Kindle. That fits no problem. Here's my keyboard pouch. No problem. My smaller pouch. Again, no problem. My wallet. My 6 key holder. And my tissue. They all fit no problem. That's good. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. So the reason that I ordered the bum bag is because I never wear the bum bag as like a bum bag on my waist. I usually wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And I have been using this Nike bum bag like so long, and this is totally beat up. I've been using it for like so much, and it's like totally beat up. So I wanted to replace this, so that's why I ordered this one. And now it has very special meaning because, you know, it's celebrating 12 years of, you know, life. So that's very special. And when I use bum bag, typically I use it a lot when I go hiking near my home. So I'm very lucky that I live very close to hiking trails. So if I just go out the door, walk maybe like 3 or 4 blocks, the hiking trail starts right there. So I go hiking pretty frequently. So I wear a bum bag when I go hiking. So typically when I go hiking, obviously I'm not gonna carry my Kindle, but I will carry my keyboard pouch. And let's see if the water bottle fits in here. It fits in. Oh, that's great. It fits. And then I take my 2 doggies. So here's the water bowl for them. Let's see if this fits in here. If I put this in first, and then water bottle. Yeah, that fits. Can I fit in my wallet? Yes. And then my 6 key and tissue. Or maybe if I put the tissue on the side right here. Wow, it fits a lot. Wow, and then I can zip it up, no problem. Wow, it does fit a lot. Oh, that's awesome. I saw a lot of reviews that said you have to like flip up this cover to zip it and unzip it. Otherwise, it's pretty tough to. Yeah, that's true. So you have to flip it up and then unzip it. The zipper is butter smooth. It's really soft. Wow. I love it. Oh, isn't this awesome? Here's the adjustment. I guess you can adjust here, and then there's another way of adjusting here. So I'll probably adjust on this side because I don't I don't like it when this kind of gets like too long and then it kind of curves outward. I really hate that. Although there is this additional one to prevent that. So I'll probably, let's try this. Let's put this on the last hole. There's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. So I'm gonna put it on the last one. So it doesn't curl up. I hate it when it curls up. This, let's say, this should be enough for me to wear as a crossbody. Yeah. I don't have to do any additional adjustments. So yeah, if you adjust this part, probably the leather will remain curved because this is the original setting, so it will probably remain curved. So I want to avoid that. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you guys want to see my shot, so let me try to include my shot photo. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of a content, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you come back to my channel. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.